Hello again, fans and folks. The Collector 6819 back with you. I'm just going to do a short little recap of my Pokemon Next Destinies box that I got from my friends at Galaxy Stores, which is in Naperville, Illinois. You can find them at ChicagoCards.com. So I'm just going to show you the reverse foils and the holographics that I got, along with the EXs. So here's we're going to start with the reverse foils. We got Trainer Kylan. We have a reverse of Level Ball Trainer. We have a reverse Experience Share. We have a reverse Heavy Ball. We have a reverse Cubchoo. Reverse Darmanitan. A reverse reverse Wigglytuff. A reverse Cricket. Reverse Pikachu. A reverse Pikachu. A reverse Furrowseed. A reverse Pampolar. A reverse Meowth. A reverse Minicow. I apologize for any names, mispronounced names. We have a reverse Shinx, a reverse Lapras, a reverse Lapras, a reverse Butthole, a reverse Scraggy, reverse Bronzor, reverse Amaga, a reverse Mashroud, a reverse Nuzleaf, a reverse Vanillish, a reverse Wigglytuff, a reverse Simisear, a reverse Lampent, a reverse Hippowdon, a reverse Luxio, a reverse Amoonguss, a reverse Kirlia, a reverse Bronzong, a reverse Raichu, a reverse Arcanine, we have a reverse Chinoka, we have a reverse Gardevoir, a reverse Articuno, and a reverse Moltres. Okay, which was pretty cool in and of itself. And then here are the holofoils. Got the Sinnoh, Lucario. We have a Scrafty, holo, a Vanilluxe, a Chandelure, a Luxray holofoil, an Articuno holofoil, a Zapdos holofoil, and a Moltres holofoil. The EXs I got were a Shaman EX, just a regular EX, a Zekrom EX, and a Full Art Regigigas EX. I did find it interesting that this particular box yielded all three legendary birds in the holofoil. Got all three here. Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. And then I did find it interesting, not only did I get the 3 there, but I also got 2 of the 3 in the reverse as well. I got 2 of the 3. So I thought that was pretty cool. So that was my Pokemon Black and White Next Destinies box. Thanks.